to Next Gen Garage. Today, we're diving deep into the world of British luxury and performance with the 2026 Jaguar XJR, a car that perfectly blends timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology and raw, thrilling power. The XJR has always represented the pinnacle of Jaguar's performance sedans, and this 2026 model pushes that legacy into an entirely new era. Let's start with the design, because this is one of those cars that turns heads everywhere it goes. The 2026 Jaguar XJR takes the sleek and graceful silhouette of the classic XJ and injects it with a dose of modern aggression. The long sculpted hood flows into a more aerodynamic roofline, giving it a coupe-like profile despite being a full-size luxury sedan. The front fascia is unmistakably Jaguar, featuring a larger black mesh grille with the iconic leaping cat badge sitting proudly in the center, flanked by razor-sharp LED pixel headlights that adapt to the road ahead with incredible precision. From the side, the XJR showcases muscular haunches, sleek chrome trim, and 21-inch forged alloy wheels that complete its sporty yet refined stance. Around back, the quad exhaust outlets and a subtle rear diffuser remind you that this is not just about comfort. It's about commanding power. The signature taillights feature a new X pattern design, paying homage to Jaguar's rich performance heritage while embracing the future. Step inside, and you'll understand what true luxury feels like. The 2026 XJR's cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and technology. Jaguar has blended sustainable materials with premium leather, open-pore wood veneers, and aluminum accents to create an atmosphere that feels both opulent and modern. Every surface feels meticulously designed, from the soft touch dashboard to the stitched leather seats that contour perfectly to your body. The driver's seat is where the magic really begins. The curved OLED digital instrument cluster and a massive floating touchscreen dominate the dash, offering crystal-clear graphics and intuitive controls. Jaguar's latest Pivi Pro infotainment system now runs on a faster processor, providing seamless navigation, voice control, and smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The car even features a new AI-based personal assistant that learns your habits, adjusting seat positions, temperature, and even music preferences automatically. For audiophiles, the Meridian 3D surround sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall. And thanks to advanced noise cancellation, the cabin remains whisper quiet, even at high speeds. Unless, of course, you switch to dynamic mode and unleash the roar of the engine. Speaking of power, let's talk about what makes the 2026 Jaguar XJR a true performance machine. Under the hood, Jaguar offers two powertrains. The standard model comes with a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that produces a staggering 600 horsepower and 600 lb-ft of torque. This setup rockets the XJR from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds. But Jaguar didn't stop there. A new hybrid-assisted version is also available, combining the same V8 with an electric motor for a total output of around 680 horsepower, offering even faster acceleration while improving efficiency. The power is sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission with lightning-fast shifts, and the all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip in all conditions. Jaguar's adaptive suspension system continuously adjusts to the road surface and driving style, offering a balance between silky, smooth comfort and razor-sharp handling. In dynamic mode, the XJR stiffens up, lowers its ride height, and feels like a big cat ready to pounce. Safety and technology are equally impressive. The 2026 XJR comes equipped with Jaguar's full suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, 360-degree cameras, and automated parking assist. The new augmented reality heads-up display projects navigation and safety alerts directly onto the windshield, keeping your eyes focused on the road. On the sustainability front, Jaguar has made major strides. The XJR incorporates recycled materials throughout the cabin and features a mild hybrid system that enhances fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. This is Jaguar's vision of combining luxury, responsibility, and power in perfect harmony. Driving the 2026 Jaguar XJR is an experience that's hard to put into words. It's not just about speed. It's about presence, confidence, and sophistication. Whether you're gliding through city streets or opening it up on a highway, the XJR feels composed, powerful, and unmistakably British. With its blend of tradition and innovation, the 2026 Jaguar XJR stands as one of the finest performance sedans on the planet. It's bold, beautiful,